Hi, Shannon.
Wayne.
Wayne. Nice to meet you, Wayne.
Good.
Yeah. Take a seat, Wayne. So, what do you do?
Lumber.
Lumber?
I do lumber.
Like wood?
Yes.
Well, does that mean you're good with your hands?
What do you imply?
Nothing. So that means you're a lumberjack, right?
Wayne.
Oh no, I mean, you work with lumber, so that's a lumber.
My name is Wayne. I work with lumber.
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 All right. What does that entail?
Just lumber.
Okay. How about what do you do for fun?
Lumber.
Other than lumber?
Video games?
Video games.
Yes. Spyro the Dragon. Grand Theft Auto. Dance Dance Revolution.
Well, that's fun.
I would never hurt you.
Sorry?
If you married me, I would never hurt you.
Oh my. Well, there's the bell. Really nice to meet you.
Wayne.
Yes, Wayne. Really nice to meet you, Wayne. You take care.
I entered the room.
You enter the room. As you walk through the door, a pungent aroma of fine ale, rich meat, and chic women hits your nostrils.
What do I see?
You survey the room. You can pick out an elfin pirate woman, what appears to be a dwarven barbarian, a bald man wearing monk's garb, and a mysterious hooded figure seated in the corner. Oh, and also there's a woman sitting at the table.
What does she look like?
She is a white female humanoid with auburn hair and chocolate brown eyes. Her dress is the color of the sea when the two sons of Arnor set during the vernal equinox.
Is she hot?
Yeah, she's okay.
Okay. I approach the table.
Hi, what's your name?
Is that supposed to be in character?
What?
I reach the table and I sit down. I give her my +3 to charisma smile and ask, "What beeth thy name, fair damsel?"
You can respond now. You see a handsome human sitting across the table. He has long blonde hair and his violet eyes glisten like amethysts in the candlelight. His tremendous muscles ripple beneath his tunic. He smiles at you, and for some strange reason it seems to dazzle your wits. What? Just go!
My name is Shannon.
I try to remember if I've ever heard that name associated with a foul succubus.
Roll a knowledge check.
14.
You don't recall having ever heard that name before.
Ooh, Shannon. That sounds exotic. In all of my travels far and wide, over icy mountains, through burning deserts, and within dark, crystalline caves, I have never heard that name before.
Yeah, you just said that. It's a pretty common name. I'm surprised you've never heard of it before.
Your character is not supposed to acknowledge what the DM says.
The DM?
Well, my name is Sir Ereborn Jareth Shadowblade. I hail from the plains of Fagan, to the east of these lands. It is so very nice to meet you.
The woman giggles nervously because she has heard of your name and is impressed by your mighty deeds.
So, are you from the Kingdom of Zendrick?
No, I'm from Minnesota.
Minnesota doesn't exist in this world.
Have you no escort this evening, my lady?
Well, no. Actually, Actually, I'm here with my best friend, Harry Potter.
Jesus! You don't play Harry Potter? Are you gonna play the game or not? I'm sorry, Matt, that was out of character. Seriously.
What the hell? You guys are a freak show.
You sense an increasing amount of hostility. She seems to be preparing for battle. Roll for initiative.
I pull out my +2 flaming masterwork broadsword, wield it high above my head, and shout my native homeland's battle cry, "For the strength of me and mine!"
You hear a sound. It sounds like the cry of the dragon horde.
Hark! Do you hear that sound? It is the cry of the dragon horde. I slew their patriarch, and thus they have come to exact their revenge upon me. Here, victims, take my kerchief and wear it proudly. I hand her my kerchief. I will return. Wait for me. I take her in my arms and kiss her passionately.
No. No!
She is too overwhelmed with tears of passion and sorrow that she cannot kiss you at this time.
Okay. I rush out of the inn. Did I get any experience points?
On.
Oh, sweet!
Hi. I'm Shannon. Bill? Nice to meet you, Bill. Are you all right, Bill? You look kind of sick. What? You all right, Bill? I really don't know what to say after that.
Sorry.
Okay. What's wrong?
I'm just so afraid.
Afraid. Afraid of what? I'm sorry? I'm not following, Bill.
Vaginas!
Vaginas. Like women? Why did you come to a speed dating event?
My therapist said it might help to confront my fears head on.
Anything I can do?
I have to confront my fears head on.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry. That was inappropriate. Shouldn't have launched my head in your vagina like that. But it was actually kind of therapeutic, and I think it may have helped. So, thank you. Can I get a hug?
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Gary.
I'm Shannon.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Weird, right?
Yeah. This place is crazy.
I know. I should tell you, I don't normally do things like this.
Oh,
Oh, this is for you.
thank you.
So, tell me about you.
Okay, well, I'm a caregiver for the elderly.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I've been doing that for a couple years now.
Gosh, you must have such a big heart.
Oh, well, it is a really rewarding job, and it's different every day. I love it.
That is something I could never do.
Well, what do you do?
I murder children.